If you target the wrong audience, and even if you are generating thousands of leads every single month, you will be ending up with low paying clients or no clients just because you are targeting the wrong audience. Maybe they don't have the paying capacity. Even if they have the paying capacity, they are not in a position of authority to make decision to pay you. They need to ask their parents, family, spouse, or their team, or they don't have that urgent need, maybe, right? So in this video, I will help you discover all the strategies that you can use to fast track your lead generation, get more qualified leads, and more qualified leads means more qualified sales. And by the end of this video, I will promise you that you'll get the clear understanding how exactly you can generate leads for your business. If you are a coach, if you are a consultant, or if you are providing any kind of digital services to Indian or the global customers, you can do that. Now, before I explain you how you can generate leads for your business, I just want to clarify this because this is really important before you even start generating leads, because every different person is at different level, different set of knowledge they have, different experience, and they are using different strategies as well. So that means they are at different stage, different level of their life and of their business. So there are multiple types of level. One, you can say that business who are at the level very scratch, can say very start, they are working somewhere 0 to 1 or 3 clients, somewhere around that, or below that as well. Level 0 can be you have never worked with any client. So you have to use different strategies at every different level, because level 1, 0 to, or maybe 1 to 3 clients. Level 2 can be 5 to 10 clients. Level 3 can be 10 plus clients, and level 4 can be 100 plus clients, right? So it totally depends at what level you are. Based on that, you are going to apply these strategies. Now, before that, I will recommend you watch this leverage video, because this single video will help you understand how exactly you can take leverage, how you can make leverage for your own business. And if I tell you for all the different levels of business, how you're going to generate leads. So if you are at level 0, you don't have any clients, you don't know how you're going to do that, you don't know nothing how exactly it works, best is to start with a skill and start outreach. Of course, you must be having any skill that you are able to monetize it, but you don't know how you're going to do that, how you're going to reach to clients. So figure out where your audience exists, at what platform they spend most of their time. Maybe it can be LinkedIn, Instagram, Discord, YouTube, whatever platform is. Check it out, reach out to people with a message that this is XYZ problem if you are facing, I can help you solve this. With the outcome, put a tangible outcome. That is the simple outreach thing that you have to do. Make at least 50 to 100 outreach every single day. So in a month, it's going to be somewhere around, if you do it every single day, 100. In a month, it can be 3000 outreach. Simple as that. And if you are in level 1, for you guys, of course, if you have 1 to 3 clients, you are making somewhere around a good amount of money, maybe 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees, maybe below 3 lakh rupees. For you guys, if you are somewhere around 1 lakh rupees, the best strategy is if you can put some amount on ads, or some amount if you can hire a teammate who can do outreach instead of you doing manually, you can do that. Or you can spend on some outreach tools, right? You can spend on some LinkedIn tools, Instagram, wherever your audience exists, you can do that. But I'll suggest you the best strategy is to start with paid ads. Even if you can spend 400-500,000 rupees a day on ads, you can get a very good, maybe 10x more than that ROI, because I started with 300 rupees per day ads. That day only I booked 3 call bookings. I closed one client at 30,000 rupees. Simply. In I'm talking about 2-3 years back when I started with a product, with my first product. I just had the idea, I launched it, I started my ads and got really good ROI. After that, I started spending, started scaling that ad. Now, if you are in level 3, like you have 5 to 10 good clients, you are scaling somewhere around 5 lakh rupees or maybe 10 lakh rupees, you need a consistent funnel. Maybe you need a consistent call booking funnel. Of course, it's going to be through paid ads, right? And for that, you need to spend more and more on paid ads. If you are doing outreach, you need to spend more on outreach. But the fastest way that I feel is paid ads, because you have the full control. You can reach out to 10 people, you can get 10 leads, 100 leads, 1000 leads, whatever you want. You have that control. Now there are only two ways to generate leads. One is you go outbound, that is you reach out to people on social media, on LinkedIn, or on emails, or on you do cold calls. Second is you run paid ads, or you do content creation. That comes under inbound, right? So these are the only two ways. So I hope you got the clarity how exactly lead generation works, and that's where I categorize it for different multiple levels. And once you watch this video, you'll get the example, you get the more understanding how leverage works, so that you can build that kind of business that will help you give sustainable income in the long term. So this is it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then of course do subscribe and share with your friends who are more likely to consider these kinds of content, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.